This is RubricLab, an open-source eval harness for AI agents. The problem it addresses: you update your agent's prompt or swap models, and there's no systematic way to catch regressions before users do. This is that missing layer. The design centers on rubric-based scoring. You define evaluation criteria as structured rubrics, accuracy, instruction following, format compliance, and an LLM-as-Judge scores your agent outputs against each one. On top of that, there's a trace viewer for drilling into individual runs, and a run versus run diff view, so you can see exactly what shifted between two evaluation sets across agent versions. Getting it running is a standard Python setup. Clone the repo, pip install, set your API key, then point the eval CLI at your agent. Trace files write locally and the viewer reads them directly. No external services required. One note: this project was built end-to-end by an autonomous multi-agent system I designed. Code is on GitHub under Ritik paddle, RubricLab. If you're shipping agents in production without an eval loop, this is a reasonable place to start.